Hi everyone, I'm Priya, Technical Marketing Engineer from the Aruba Switching Unit. Today I'm excited to talk to you about the newest feature and the enhancement in our latest 10.14 software release, which is the front panel factory reset. Let's jump into the content. So let's look at the feature overview for this particular feature. So before 10.14, there wasn't any dedicated functionality to perform factory reset without console access, unlike AOS SHS. Now, with 10.14, users can trigger a factory reset without console access by simply pressing the reset button for a designated period, say from 20 to 25 seconds, as highlighted in the diagram. So the switch is rebooted, zeroized, and rebooted again on factory default state. So LED indicators here guides the users on when to release the reset button, either in 5 seconds, 20 seconds, or 25 seconds. Additionally, the front panel factory reset feature is user configurable but is disabled by default, offering flexibility in its use. So the major use case of the feature is reset the switch locally without the need for direct console access. And the customer benefits are no technical expertise is needed to factory reset the switch. And the LED behavior indicating when the reset button can be released adds much more user guidance, thus making the process more intuitive and reducing the likelihood of errors. So the CLI here is front panel security factory reset, and we must enable this CLI in the CX switch to initiate the reset process. So from the diagram here, you can see when you keep pressing the switch from 0 to 5 seconds, that is the soft reset window. So once you press it more than 0.2 seconds, the soft reset window is initiated. When it comes to 20 seconds, the hard reset window is initiated. And when it comes to 25 seconds, you see that the factory reset is initiated with the fast flashing orange in the LED behavior. So the supported platforms are listed below. Thank you for watching.